SAP applications help the world run simple. Studies estimate 3/4 of world transaction revenue touches a SAP system. Companies are moving their SAP landscape to Azure to increase business agility and meeting their global customers' need. Vnomic is a SAP and Microsoft Azure global partner and provides automated, engineered SAP landscape delivery and governance as service, allowing companies to successfully deploy their SAP landscape on Azure while meeting the security, governance, compliance, HANA TDI, and business continuity, including disaster recovery requirements, end-to-end with zero touch. Let's take a look at how Vnomic deployed SAP global landscapes for a Fortune 500 company across US and European data centers. The deployed landscapes included development, QA, sandbox, pre-production, production and disaster recovery landscapes. Each landscape included BW, CARB, ADS, BODS, CDF, Solman, GRC, SLT, MDG, PO, Web Dispatcher, Portal, SAP S/4HANA, and Embedded Fiori. We captured the landscape information including topology, tier, server type, SAP component, server purpose, kernel version, NetWeaver stack, HANA version, NetWeaver version, as well as time zone, operating system, network topology, SAP SID, hostname, virtual hostname, IPs and subnets in Vnomic workbook. Vnomic automatically computed the most cost-effective Azure resources that met SAP requirements to optimize infrastructure cost. We then uploaded the workbook onto Vnomic service, which computed all the SAP landscape deployment and governance requirements end-to-end with zero touch, while meeting all the performance, security, governance, and compliance requirements. A few hours later, the SAP landscape resources were created automatically and were able to review connectivity, storage, resources, deployment profiles, and servers, along with SAP landscape dependencies, confirming that everything was implemented accurately. Vnomic also documented all the steps meticulously to meet stringent security, governance, and compliance requirements. All landscapes were delivered on time and budget globally while meeting the security, governance, and compliance requirements, making the project a huge success. We're looking forward to delivering your SAP landscape on Azure quickly while meeting all your performance, security, and governance requirements.